Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making this cute little extra small fleece doggy hoodie, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, these are the two pieces that I cut out. Ain't that cute? It looks like a high-low peplum situation. I mean high-low shirt pretty much. Okay, so as you can see, I'm matching the sides. Right sides are going to be facing one another. That's the two shoulder pieces. This is the two side pieces. And that's pretty much how it's going to come together. Now you can always use your machine, but this time it was so small and so easy. I used a needle and thread. And I went back and sewed all four together. And I'm going to turn it inside out. Bear with me, I'm using one hand. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Stitched together. And I could not get him to stand still in a picture. Again, I tried to get a picture, so I ended up getting a video. That's the other picture. This is the finished product, how the back looks. And that's him in it. Hope you guys enjoy it.